Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal. I hope that you are well. Today I will talk about a new concept in Date and Time API, Java 8, and it's about internalization. So, for example, you want to know US timing, desert timing, US timing, etc., etc. How to do this? Here we'll use new class. It is called ZoneId. This ZoneId is for specific area in this world, specific country. You want to get the date, etc., or time, etc., etc. So, for my first requirement, I want to get my own ZoneId. What is my own ZoneId? This is my first requirement. So, to do this, I will use ZoneId class, zone equal ZoneId dot system default, and here I will retrieve my own ZoneId. Okay, I will execute this code after when I finish with this class. Because so simple, so I will continue and I will do the execution in the same time. Now I want to specify some ZoneId. I don't want to use my own ZoneId. How to do this? For example, I want to specify the ZoneId of United States for the city New York. It is particular. To create this ZoneId, I will use ZoneId zone equal or zone2 equal ZoneId dot of between parentheses America / New York. I have create my own ZoneId that I want to use. I can get the time from this ZoneId or the date time from this ZoneId. I will not use local date time. No. Here we use new class. It is called ZonedDateTime. Okay? It is ZonedDateTime. How to use it? It's the ZonedDateTime dt equal ZonedDateTime.now, but here I will put in between parentheses argument the variable of ZoneId is zone2. Okay, or zone. Now if I make system.out.println for dt, I will get the time from New York, and you will see this when I execute this code. So remember, ZoneId is to display or to get the data time from specific area from this world. If you want to use your own ZoneId, you use system default, as I will show you in the computer. And if you want to use particular ZoneId, put the city or the country in ZoneId and use it to get the date and time from this area. Okay, let's go now to the computer to see the execution, and I will come back to finish the video, inshallah. Let's go. So let's get our ZoneId. So ZoneId zone equals ZoneId dot system default. Here I will get my own ZoneId. So system.println zone, and what I got here, Europe Paris. Okay, now I will use the custom ZoneId, particular from United States or city New York. So with this I use ZoneId ZoneId zone2 equal ZoneId dot off, and here we specify America about New York. Google them. Huh? If you don't know what is the string that you will put, Google, and you will get all of them. Okay, just put ZoneId about what you want. Java, put ZoneId Java, and you got the string. So now I want to get the time from this ZoneId. I will use ZonedDateTime dt equal ZonedDateTime.now, but with argument zone2. Okay, and here if I put system.println of dt, let's see the result. You see it's 9 August, and here in France, in Paris, we are 10 August, and the time it is 21 hours 14. That's good. The result is good. Let's continue. So in this video and the previous, we have seen this new concept in Java 8. It is date and time API from ZoneId API. So I've seen how to use local date, local time, local date and time, how to get the hours, the years, etc., etc., with different methods from this class. And also we have seen how to use the class period, get a value between some date. Also what we have seen, the class year. And also finally we have seen in this video how to use ZoneId and ZonedDateTime ID. So thank you to have followed this course until this moment. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, like this video, and follow me please in Instagram. It's very important. Follow me if you want motivational code. Stay motivated, strong, and positive. The code is very important. The account is Teams Winners or Faisal.Chico. So see you inshallah for next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I tell you goodbye. Take care of us. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.